Hello everyone, welcome to Biosanskati. Today we will learn about guttation. Have you ever noticed drop on the leaf just like this figure? Some of you think, oh I know it is transpiration or something similar to it. Don't be confused between guttation and transpiration. They both are different. And wanna know how and why, please be patient. All the doubts you have will be clear in the subsequent slide. Now, first we have to understand what is guttation all about. Number one, it was Burgerstein. It was Burgerstein who studied guttation first. Number two, it is a range of chemical plus inorganic substances like primarily sugars and potassium are frequently found in the fluid that emerges from the guttation. Okay, now moving on the next topic, what is hydrothode? Hydrothode found in vascular plant and also work as an entry site. Entry site for many vascular pathogens. Each hydrothode, sometimes referred to as a transfer tissue, it is made up of a colorless cell and appear as a pore in the epidermis or epithelium that resemble stomata. The soft without chloroplast, thin-walled parenchymal cells that make up of the epithelium cell are engaged in the secretion and the absorption. Basically, hydrothode functions are absorption and secretion. Natural guttation is frequently noticed in the morning or in the evening. You can easily see this phenomenon in the morning time or the evening time. This is the figure of a nasturtium leaf showing guttation. At the margin of the leaf. Okay, and drop at the vein ends. This is the vein ends of the nasturtium leaf. These are the guttation point, or we can say that it is the entry site for a vascular pathogen. This is the where guttation occurs. This is the where guttation fluid can occur. Okay. Number B is a vertical section of a leaf showing hydrothode. This is the vertical section of a nasturtium leaf showing guttation at the margin. This is the margin. This is the hydrothode pore. This is air chamber, epithelium, vein ending, xylem, and this is the epidermis. Mainly if we talk about the location of a hydrothode, it is located at the tips, margin, adaxial and abaxial surface of the uninjured leaves. Why we talk about why we said uninjured leaves? Because guttation occur only the normal leaf which is not injured. Okay, and now we will know what is the hydrothode. Let me clear one point more. Adaxial is the upper surface. Okay, adaxial is the upper surface of leaf. Abaxial is the lower lower surface of leaf. Basically, adaxial is it is the one which have thick cuticle, and lower surface, which means abaxial have less, or we can say that thin cuticle. It have thin cuticle. Now, the purpose of guttation, or we can say that aim of guttation. What is the aim of guttation? So, the purpose of guttation is to remove additional water. Is to remove additional. It is to remove additional water from a plant's root, stem and leaves at night time. During the day, water may escape a plant via the open stomata through a process known as a transpiration. At night, the stomata become closed to save water and energy, even though excess water may still need to escape. The process of a guttation offers a method for water to escape via the hydrothodes or small opening in the leaves of a plant. So this is the aim of the guttation. I hope this is clear to you, everyone. Now let me clear to one point before we start about the example. This is about guttation and vascular plant. Since guttation rely on the pressure, it cannot occur in the large plant. It cannot occur in the large plant. Okay, such as trees. Okay, because the pressure required to force water out is too large. It is too large for it. That's why they found in vascular. But it is the condition. What is the condition? It is found only small plants of vascular plant like tomato, barley, oat, cereals, strawberries, balsam, cucurbits, garden nostalgium. This is the one we discussed earlier. This is the one, okay? And the last one is the wheat. Now, let's talk about the difference. Many of you confuse between guttation, transpiration. Okay, so guttation is occur only the night time. Transpiration occur only in the daytime. Guttation have hydrothodes. Transpiration have stomata. Guttation is the process in which water lost. Transpiration is the process in which water transpired, okay, in which water vaporize. Guttation is the process in which water is rich in minerals. In transpiration, water is pure. Guttation is the uncontrolled phenomenon. Transpiration is controlled and unregulated phenomenon. Some of you confuse between dew and some of you think guttation is a dew. No, student, guttation and dew both are different, just like a transpiration. Guttation is not dew. In case you wondered, dew is pure transpiration water on the surface of leaves, and guttation is only occur because transpiration is absent there. Okay, so that's why I clearly and focus on this point, because guttation, dew and transpiration, but all of these are different. So I hope everything is clear to everyone. Now let's talk about its importance. uh, this is kind of messy, but forget about it. So let's start it. This is about importance. Okay, although guttation fluid can be continuously collected during a I can't see it clearly. And during a plant life cycle, and has a lower total protein content than apoplast fluid. It can be used by plant in a process we named phylosecretion to make recombinant proteins. Many mycotoxin, antimicrobial, insecticide, bioherbicides, antiviral, anti-cancer compounds have already been discovered and adopted by researchers. They are secreted in varying degree and either identity as a protein or a secondary metabolite. These all are the point are very important, because these points highlight why the guttation is important, why we study about this simple and novel process guttation, because guttation open the many door in which we can study about insecticide, antimicrobials, bioherbicide, antiviral, anti-cancer. So this is a new opportunity to us, that mainly describe why guttation is important and why we have to study guttation. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my videos. If you want more content like this, please subscribe to my channel and like if you think it's somehow useful to you, and share it with your friends. Stay happy, stay healthy. Bye bye.